Hi, everyone. I just wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through the BOD app. Some people are definitely very proficient at finding programs and workouts, but they don't realize what else is available, not only on the BOD app and through the BOD app, but also in your subscription. So, what I'd like to do is take you through this quick walkthrough. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your coach. So, when you're on your home screen, select the BOD app, and as it opens up, you'll scroll along the bottom. And what you'll want to look at are your options: home, programs, groups, tracking, and more. You probably already know that if you hit programs, you'll be able to see what workouts are available. One thing that many people have in their subscription and don't take advantage of is the Nutrition Center. When you see the Nutrition Center tile, you can either tap on Introduction to Nutrition, which we'll do in a moment, or you can move over and swipe to see what else is available. Beachbody has two main nutrition plans that are available to all of our clients. The first is the Ultimate Portion Fix, which is Autumn Calabrese's container-based portion meal plan, and Ilana's 2B Mindset, which really focuses on the two bunnies, which is water first and veggies most. It's more of a volume eating, plating sort of nutrition plan to follow. If you're interested in learning more about these two programs, you'll definitely want to tap on the Introduction to Nutrition tile, and I would recommend beginning your video by pressing on the Start Here Play. Going back to programs, you can either tap on your back arrow or back on programs. And again, you have lots of access to all of the programs that are available to you under your subscription. If you are involved and signed up with a BOD group, you can access those by tapping on the groups icon at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll see the active groups that you are or have the opportunity to participate in based on whether you are a coach or ones that your coach is running. You can also tap at the top on Open Groups to see what groups are currently being run by your coach, as well as past, any past groups that you have participated in, or if you're a coach, you can tap on those groups that you've run as well. When you tap on an active group, one that is currently going on, this is where you'll not only see who is going to be sharing with you and your work, their workouts, their Shakeology, but you can also contribute yourself. You can tap on the My Progress portion to see how many workouts you've done, your results, etc. You can tap on participants, and we're moving across the top to see who the coaches are who are running this group, as well as all of the members. Tapping on files allows you to access any recipes or documents that your coach may have posted in this group. About is going to follow the requirements for the group. And this is what is really important. This is where you will want to spend a little bit of time, and that is in the preferences area. When you tap on the preferences area, you can customize what you would like to see and also what others in the BOD group can see as well about you. You can tap on the notifications portion and select or deselect all of the notifications that you're interested in looking at or maybe not. You can tap on your reminders. If you haven't done a workout or any activity for the day, you can get your reminders simply by toggling that switch, as well as customize the time of day when you would like to receive that reminder. When you're done, just click on Done. Finally, the privacy and sharing area is really important to letting your coach know what type of progress you're making. This is where you'll want to select your activity tracking and photos, as well as any progress photos that you may or may have taken at the beginning of your program or the beginning of the BOD group, and weight and measurements. Again, this really allows your coach and you to work together to maximize the goals that you've set for yourself, as well as the results you're seeing as well. Once you have selected and customized your BOD group, go back and tap on the feed, and this is where you can scroll through, see who has participated, encourage them, add support, etc. Lastly, going back to the bottom, you'll want to tap on the tracking icon. It shows today that I have 2 new workouts, and viewing your workouts is where it will actually allow you to not only log the workout, but before you do that, you'll definitely want to post something to the group. And that's because as of right now, if you don't add an icon or any description of your workout, it actually does not show up on the BOD group. So your coach can see that you have participated in a workout, but he or she cannot see what that workout is, what you thought of it, etc. So even just adding a little icon, something like, a thumbs up or a muscle or a smile, hard, challenging, great, that sort of thing, that will allow not only your coach, but also others in your BOD group to see how that workout was for you. Once you've added something in your post this to your group section, tap on the log workout and it goes into the BOD group. I did 2 workouts today. One was just a stretching workout. One was an actual workout. So I'm just going to post a couple of little icons here. And again, if you want to post, if you're involved in one or more than one group, you can select or deselect which group or groups you would like to post your workout to, and then click on log workout again, and it will be included in there. As you can see on the screen here, you can tap on your Shakeology, add those with a little description, your nutritionals, whether you drink Energize before your workout, which is a fantastic pre-workout, or Recover to help with muscle repair after your workout, your water goals, and any weight that you have, weights, changes, measurements, etc. Finally, on the bottom, your more shows how many workouts you've downloaded to play offline, as well as information about contacting your coach, your health data, your workouts, how you'd like to stream it, etc. So I would definitely suggest that you spend some time on the app, on the BOD Groups app, so that you become familiar with everything that's available to you, all of the customization options, and again, so you get the most out of it. If you have any questions, definitely contact your Beachbody coach, and he or she will be able to help walk you through it and answer any questions that you might have. Take care.